Hello, if you were in class today, we went over how you cross multiply to find the missing or the unknown quantity in a ratio. And we also went over how you decide whether two ratios form a proportion. So if you did not attend class, please watch the brief video attached to the lesson for today. I decided to put this on Edpuzzle because you can get immediate feedback and see your results right away. So please turn in your packet to page 7 and we're going to complete task card 5 through 12. So let's get started. What does K equal in this task card number 5? K equals 72. Now let's move on to task card number 6. What does X equal on task card number 6? X equals 14. Go on to number 7, please. In order to make this proportion, Y would equal what number? Y equals 11. Card number 8. Number 8 asks us to find the value of K. So K equals what number? K equals 4. Let's go into number 9. The next set of cards are a little bit different. 9 through 12 ask you, do these ratios form a proportion? Show why or why not. So you're going to cross multiply and prove whether both products are equal or not equal. And in order to show why, you're going to state what the cross products are. So for number 9, do these ratios form a proportion? Yes or no? And state how you know. Yes, these two ratios form a proportion because when you find the products, the cross products, you get 33 on both sides. Please go on to number 10. Number 10, do these ratios form a proportion? Show why or why not. Yes, these are ratios. These ratios are proportion, and that's because their cross products are the same. 420 equals 420. Number 11. Do these two ratios form a proportion? Why or why not? No, they do not. Their cross products are not the same. 140 does not equal 130. Our last one, number 12. And these two ratios do not form a proportion, and that's because their cross products are not equal to each other. So 750 does not equal 600. Thank you for completing this assignment, and I will see you at our next session. Bye-bye.